Imagine you have just $10,000 into your bank account. You may be thinking, can I invest this 10,000 and slowly turn into a much bigger amount? The answer is yes. But let's make one thing very clear. There is no guarantee formula that can make your 10,000 into 20,000 in 1 month. Real wealth building is about small investment plus regular investing plus time plus discipline. In this video, we'll understand how a beginner can think about investing 10,000 immediately or intelligently. So if you have $10,000 today, don't ask how quickly can I become rich. Ask how can I use this 10,000 to start building better financial habits? Because 10,000 alone probably won't change your life, but 10,000 plus regular investment plus better skills plus discipline plus time can potentially create a complete different financial future. And remember, it's not just important to earn money, it's important to understand money. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. If you had 10,000 today, where would you put it? Saving, investment or skill development? Yes, you have seen the right things. If this 10,000 is your entire saving and you have no emergency money, putting the whole money amount into investing may not be the smartest decision. Why? Because tomorrow you could face an unexpected expense, a medical bill, an urgent family expense, or even a temporary loss of income. If you need money suddenly, you may be forced to sell your investment at the wrong time. So remember the first rule, financial safety comes before investment. If you're a complete beginner, you could consider a simple approach. For example, 5,000 emergency saving, 3,000 long-term investment, 2,000 learning a useful skill. Now you might ask me, why spend 2,000 on a skill? Because sometimes your best investment is yourself. Suppose you spend 2,000 learning a useful skill, and that skill eventually helps you to learn an additional 5,000 or 10,000. That could have much bigger impact on your financial future than simply investing a small amount and waiting. Now let's talk about some common investments option. As a beginner, you may across bank deposit, government-backed saving, mutual funds, stock goals, and other investment. But every option has a different level of risk, return potentials, and purpose. Lower risk option. If your priority is capital safety, you may consider relatively lower risk saving or investment products. The potential return may be lower, but the velocity can also be lower. Number 2, mutual funds. For long-term wealth creation, mutual funds are another option. But remember, mutual funds are subject to market risk. Past performance does not guarantee future returns. Before investing, understand the fund's object, risk level, fees, and investment strategy. Individual stocks. Now let's talk about stocks. Stocks can provide attractive returns, but they can also cause significant losses. Never buy stocks simply because a YouTuber, Telegram group, or friends say, this stock is going to explode. This stock is going to explode. That's not investing. That's guessing. Now comes the interesting part. Suppose purely for illustration that your investment guarantees an average 10% annual return over the long term. Your $10,000 could theoretically become approximately 10 years, 25,900. But here's where things get interesting. What if you don't invest just 10,000? What if you start with the 10,000 and then invest 1,000 every month? At a hypothetical 10% annual return, 10 years around 2.5 lakh, 20 years around 7.59 lakh, 30 years around 20.6 lakhs. These numbers are illustration, not guarantee returns. Actual investment returns can go up or down. And that's the beginner lesson. In investing, your starting amount is important, but consistency and time can be even more powerful. Suppose your target is 1 lakh. Instead of asking, how can I quickly turn 10,000 into 1 lakh, ask a better question. How can I build a system that gradually takes me towards 1 lakh? Start with 10,000. Then invest a fixed amount every month, maybe 500, 1,000 or 2,000, whatever amount you can realistically afford. The important thing is consistency. Because wealth creation is not always about making one huge investment. It can be about making small investment repeatedly for many years. 5 big mistakes beginners should avoid. Mistakes number 1, chasing guarantee high returns. Invest 10,000 and make 50,000 in 30 days. Be extremely careful with claims like this. A high return usually comes with higher risk. Mistake number 2, putting everything into one stock. Concentration can expose you to significant risk, and diversification can help manage that risk. Mistakes number 3, investing your emergency money. Emergency saving and long-term investment have different purpose. Don't confuse that too. Mistakes number 4, panic selling. Markets can rise and fall. If you're investing for the long term, you need to understand the short-term velocity is part of investing. Mistake number 5, starting and then stopping. Compounding needs time. The longer your money stays invested and continues to grow, and more powerful the effect can potentially become. So if you have $10,000 today, don't ask how quickly can I become rich. Ask how can I use this 10,000 to start building better financial habits? Because 10,000 alone probably won't change your life, but 10,000 plus regular investment plus better skills plus discipline plus time can potentially create a complete different financial future. And remember, it's not just important to earn money, it's important to understand money. If you found this video useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below. If you had 10,000 today, where would you put it? Saving, investment or skill development?